What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And today we're going to be going over price action. Australians and New Zealanders can now use Bitcoin in vending machines, and Bitcoin may be a solution to Africa's broken financial system. If that sounds good to you, you know what to do. Leave a subscribe and a like, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. So let's zoom in here. We're on the daily scale right now. We're still in that wedge, basically. Actually, we're just outside of the wedge right now. And let's look at the 15-minute. So in the last day, we had an actual touch up to around 9.9, just under 9.9, and then a shoot down all the way down to 9.567. So this would have been a great opportunity to short all the way up to the top here, or a good opportunity to long, or even just get in. I had some company over, so sadly I missed this buy opportunity, which I'm kicking my own ass because I literally started paying attention to the market again about, an hour later, and I'm like, damn, I missed it. And that's just how quick it can go, guys. But other than that, just a sideways motion. The 20 EMA down below the 55 EMA close, going back above. It's remaining pretty stable and sideways right now. Nothing really going on. But this was a big move last night. This was on this was technically the 9th, right around last night. So this happened in the wee hours of the night, technically around midnight last night, 11 o'clock midnight. And the price has just moved sideways since then. Now what I think is going to happen after this is I think we're going to have a retest back down to the $9,600 level within the next day. I think it's just a matter of time for this pressure is going to build down. We're going to break back down into this channel. The support will become resistance again. I think that's what's going to happen. We're going to have a breakdown. So be watching for that, guys. It could break down. Not today, but later tomorrow. At least that's what I think. That's what the analysis is telling me. We have some indecision in the market right here. So there's not, and a lot of indecision in the market there. What those really mean is just indecision in the market. So it's not really sure which way it wants to go. And that's why I said yesterday I was staying out of it. But literally 2 hours later, or a few hours later, I would have been able to get in the market, and I just missed it. So that's unfortunate, but I'll definitely catch it next time. And also, guys, I wanted to thank you guys, just while we're at it, for all the likes and support I've been getting. I had a video, 2 videos ago, I had 285 views. That is great for a new channel. Over 27 likes, 5 comments. Guys, I just can't thank you enough. That is awesome. I love the engagement I'm getting. I just can't wait until I'm, hitting thousands of views and stuff. It's just it seems like it's just a matter of time, and I just got to keep after it. So thank you so much for all your support, guys. Continue to do so. Let's dive into some news. So Australians and New Zealanders can now use Bitcoin in vending machines, and the development follows a new deal with digital asset platform Central announced on June 8th, where Coca-Cola and Amatel will now be accepting payments in crypto. Silo's smart wallet is a decentralized application that integrates messaging services with a digital wallet with support for major digital assets such as Bitcoin and any ERC20 token. So basically these vending machines are taking tokens and coin now, which is awesome. So post-pandemic, the case for all cash retail payments is stronger. So a lot of people don't like fiat and cash right now. It's just, especially with the pandemic going, people don't want to even come close to each other. So CentralPay CEO Jerome Fury has pointed to a greater awareness of need to reduce physical contact in retail locations due to global COVID-19 public health crisis. He says, now we've shown it can work in Australia and New Zealand. We're looking to grow the business globally. We've established presence in North America and will be targeting the U.S. market next, Fury said. Which sounds really great. I mean, it's just one step closer to mass adoption. I think crypto is just the future, and it's a matter of time before everything is token, everything is coin. I really think it would get rid of a lot of crime, even lots of different benefits. And this is not only the first time that Coca-Cola's partners have turned to blockchain. In November 2019, Coke One North America, the tech firm that it manages, it operates for the soda giants bottlers began using blockchain solution developed by German software firm SAP to manage its supply chain. The company oversees multiple franchises that manufacture, bottle, and ship nearly 160,000 orders of Coca-Cola products daily. And Bitcoin may be the solution to Africa's broken financial system. Now, guys, if you know me, you know I'm into Electronium, and Electronium has been dabbling into Africa, and they have mobile top-ups and all these different things. So, I can't wait for just more adoption, and I think Bitcoin really is a solution to Africa's crisis. A report suggests that the lack of traditional financial infrastructures makes Africa a place where cryptocurrency adoption is likely. And because they don't have the banking systems, they don't have all the traditional stuff that we do, I think crypto is just something that's really readily available to them, and it can make big changes in their life. The author of research, which was jointly conducted with market analysis firm Arcane Research and crypto exchange Luno, wrote that the financial landscape seen in the continent plays a role in forming appetite for crypto in Africa. They quote, "Although it's a diverse region, African nations share some key similarities and trends, economic problems from high inflation rates and volatile currencies, financial issues such as capital controls and lack of banking infrastructure create a fertile ground for an alternative to germinate." According to the World Bank report published in April, expats sent around $48 billion back to families in sub-Sahara Africa in 2019 alone. Still using traditional remittance services to send money to the region allegedly result in an average fee of 9% for a mere $200 remittance. According to Luno Arcane report, intra-Africa payments often have to deal with high fees and low speeds. According to World Bank data, the sub-Sahara Africa, there are over 56% less commercial bank branches per 100,000 adults than the world average. This shows that traditional financial infrastructure is not just less efficient, but also less accessible in the region. So just more reasons why cryptocurrency is just going to be more readily available to them, and it's going to be the thing they're going to want to use. And Bitcoin adoption in Africa has already started. Bitsba, a Kenya-based firm that enables its users to leverage Bitcoin for international payments and remittances with lower fees than traditional service. In late January 2019, the World Economic Forum appointed CEO and founder of Bitsba, Elizabeth Rossio, as one of the two chairs of the Global Blockchain Council. This shows the innovation brought by the Bitcoin-enabled services recognized worldwide, also outside Africa. So this is just a really good sign, guys. It means that it's not only being recognized by the people that are doing it in Africa, but by people outside of the country. And before you know it, world adoption is just going to be a matter of time. So crypto use in Africa will continue to rise, and it is only a matter of time until digital currencies will become ubiquitous. Given how readily their adoption in crypto, I would expect countries in Africa to be the first to make the full transition from their traditional financial systems toward cryptos. That is a really good sign. Africa is one of not the biggest early adopter of cryptocurrency, a very important market to us. Being home to approximately 3/4 of the customer base, we've seen high rates of adoption in the likes of Kenya, Ghana specifically, where we're always looking to expand our reach and welcome more customers across the continent. A priority for us has always been education and not just buying and selling cryptocurrencies. And that's something we'll continue to do, especially in the territories of Africa that we know have been ravaged by broken financial systems. So that's another touch on why I like Electronium so much. They're doing exactly that. They're trying to help all these people that don't have the banking systems. And that's exactly what's going on. I've touched on this in previous videos, on just how much Electronium does for Africa right now. And I think, the sooner the coin is mass adopted over there, and just in general, the better. So Bitcoin is just one of the leaders, not only in investments, but just a fund to have. And it's fun to have. It's a good fund to have, and it's fun to have. But more back on analysis. As I said, not too much going on. I think we're going to have a little bit of a breakdown into these lower channels again. So be mindful of that, guys. We need a little bit more strength for the upcoming run that's coming now. It doesn't mean we're going to go bearish. I think we're going to touch down below it. And if you can see, we are putting in still higher lows, where it was a little nerving for a day, because right here and then right there there was a lower low, so it wasn't sure if it was going to continue this uptrend. But guys, it looks like we are still in this uptrend, so don't be too fearful. Bitcoin is still on the move up. We might get a little bit of a pullback, but that's all it's going to be, is a little bit of a pullback to build more strength. That's what I believe. So keep holding those bags, be ready to accumulate more position. And that's about all I have for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.